Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money online in Sweatcoin. So, earning money online with Sweatcoin is straightforward. And while you can directly cash out Sweatcoins as cash, you can redeem them for rewards or potentially convert them into cryptocurrency. Here are a few ways to earn money and maximize value using Sweatcoin. First, walk to earn Sweatcoins. The core way to earn on Sweatcoin is by walking or running. For every 1000 verified steps, you can earn 0.95 Sweatcoins. Also, Sweatcoin tracks your steps through the app, and you can earn up to 10 Sweatcoins per day on the free membership. With the premium membership, you can double your earnings and make up to 20 Sweatcoins per day. Now the second way to do this is redeem Sweatcoins for offers and discounts. You can use Sweatcoins to redeem exclusive deals, discounts and gift cards from various brands. Common offers include discounts on fitness gear, subscriptions, health products and occasionally gift cards for services like Amazon, PayPal and other platforms that can be converted into cash or tangible products. To access these rewards, go to the marketplace section within the app which updates regularly with new deals. Now, the third way to do this is donate Sweatcoins for a cause. Some people prefer using their Sweatcoins to donate to charities and fundraising campaigns. This may not result in a direct monetary reward, but it adds value by supporting charitable causes. Also, donations can be an important option if you want to contribute to social or environmental causes while staying active. Now, fourth way to do this is Sweatcoin referrals. You can earn extra Sweatcoins by referring friends and family to join the app. For each person that signs up using a referral link, you can earn 5 Sweatcoins. The more you refer, the higher the number of Sweatcoins you earn, which can help you redeem more valuable rewards. Now, fifth way to do this is Sweat Wallet and Sweat Economy. By linking the Sweatcoin application to the Sweat Wallet, you can convert your steps into Sweat cryptocurrency. Once you have Sweat tokens, you can potentially trade or hold them for future value. This is where Sweatcoin evolves from simply being a reward platform to integrating into the crypto economy. As Sweat tokens become tradable on exchanges like crypto exchanges, there may be future opportunities to sell your sweat for real-world currency. Now, sixth way to do this is participate in competitions and challenges. Sweatcoin frequently organizes challenges where you can compete with other users for cash prizes or Sweatcoins. These challenges might involve achieving a specific step goals over a period or being part of community campaigns. Now, seventh way to do this is upgrading to Sweatcoin Premium. Upgrading to the premium plan, increasing your earning potential by offering 2 times the Sweatcoins per step. While it has a cost, premium membership allows you to earn more Sweatcoins faster, which can be beneficial if you're serious about maximizing your earnings. Now, 8th way to do this is stacking offers. Sometimes, Sweatcoin offers stackable deals, which means you can combine gift cards or discounts with other rewards to maximize savings. This can indirectly save you money and give you higher value items or experiences for fewer Sweatcoins. While Sweatcoin does not directly provide cash payouts, it offers numerous ways to earn rewards, gift cards, and discounts that can be valuable in the long run. If you are in a region where Sweat tokens are available, the integration with cryptocurrency opens new opportunities to earn digital assets, which you can potentially convert into real money in the future. So, that's how you earn money online in Sweatcoin. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.